Hello, guys. Ever heard of Huawei Nova 3i? Of course, you have. The Nova 3i does many things right, but small elements like the missing fast charging, poor loudspeaker and a microUSB port is quite disappointing. Here are some things that are quite disappointing in this great smartphone. No fast charging. The charging speed is slow on the Nova 3i. The 22.5 watt SuperCharge is not present here and, instead, it has 10 watt charging via microUSB. It takes around 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%, which is slow considering what the competition has to offer. Convoluted camera UI. In a nutshell, the camera interface does offer fun features to play with, but some modes do little to surpass the realm of novelty. The background and effect modes sometimes chops off your ears and at times it just doesn't register your hair. Poor loudspeaker. The loudspeaker on the phone is quite underwhelming. Be it music or gaming, it just fails to provide rich output from the speaker. Keeping a pair of headphones is a wiser idea, to have the best audio experience on this phone. Weak turbo mode. The rise of titles such as Fortnite on the platform has come with the demand for more powerful processing and graphical output from modern handsets. Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments. For your Huawei Nova 3i screen replacement needs, visit sydneycbd.repair.